Uh-oh, sorry, broke your nose. Oh, man, the doctor gets thirsty. That's good. All right. Boy, another day. Yeah, I guess it's a little early for that. Those go at 8 o'clock. I guess I better check and see if there's any... Oh, it looks like a line forming. I better see if there's any patients looking for the disinfectant. Oh, you've been waiting how long? What? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's about 2 minutes. Okay, that's right. You're you got probably about an hour and 22 minutes or so. Sorry. Oh, boy. Okay, we better get to work. Okay, how much do you weigh? 160? Let me get. Hang on. I got just the thing for you. Put all this stuff in there. I don't want that. What? Oh wait, no. Here. This should be it. Trump cure. I hope that's good stuff. You got your hands on backwards. Oh well. Oh wait, I gotta clean it. Where's my cart? Let me just shoot this in here. Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait, I got something even better. Yeah. He's gonna love this one. Okay. And this isn't gonna hurt. It's good you're missing your hand there. Yeah. Yeah. That's 100% bleach. That's it. Oh, better get this one. Get all the products. The Pine Sol kills 99% of the germs, and recommended by the White House. Yeah, it's Mr. Clean. Let me see. It's it. Well, hang on. Wait a minute. Let me test this. Hey, face up. Yeah, that's Mr. Clean. That's pretty good. I could almost use a shot of that myself. Pine Sol. Yeah. It stings? No, it can't sting. Let me pull that out of it. Let's see. That doesn't sting. I mean, yeah, if you get it up your nose a little, it could. Better wipe that off. Don't forget your certificate. You're kind of dripping out. And don't get the Cheerios wet. Well, actually, that might be good. Who's this? Oh yeah, okay, put that in there. We got some specials today. See, here's the mini squirt. That's 2 for 1, whatever it is. And look, you can get a smoothie. That's the Trump blaster, but he needs a little something more. Oh, I know what that first guy needs. This is one of my favorites. Nose wash. Okay, turn it on. This is gonna be good. Let's go over there. Yeah! Yeah, how's that feel? I love disinfectant. Whoa! Turn it off. Yeah, whatever. Ah, there's the Lysol. That's highly recommended. Yeah, that's pretty good. What's this one? The Trump pump. Yeah, let me just see if I can get that in the vein. I always have an open port here. Here's some of our prices, you notice, right? The Trump blaster. Yeah, Democratic blue. Well, that's for Democrats, you know. What are you waiting for? The heat and light? Well, we got a special deal over it. Let me just come over here a minute. Let me just bring you over close to the, this is the the rec room. Huh? We got these all set up. Are these beautiful or not, huh? Yeah, so you get 2 of these for the same price. And I'll set it up in here. Hey, wait a minute. What are you doing in here? You didn't put the sign on. Get out of there. Oh, boy. Get out of here. The insertion is going to be in. Oh, and we got the heat. The heat is on. For no extra charge, I got this. Well, look at this. See that? You turn that baby on, huh? But that'll clean you out in nothing flat. In a minute. Where do you want this? Down your throat? What do you mean, Dr. D? That's a nasty question. That doesn't stand. That's not death. That's Dr. Don. You're not allowed in here. No more press. This will work for you. Don't worry. Well, a little bit of a misprint, but it'll be over. I mean, whatever it says. Let's give this guy a big turkey blast. I mean, a big, the Trump blaster. Yeah! You get a certificate. Don't forget your certificate. Yeah, signed by him, you know? Take that home. You only get a little one, I think. Let me clean that off for you. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. Now, yeah, I feel tremendous. You bet. I gotta have a short hit of this myself. Let's see. You don't mind if I sit down, do you, buddy? I'm so glad the people in charge have okayed this. Woo, boy. That's good stuff. That's really good. You guys ready? Now, I suggest you close your mouth there. Okay. I gotta get you another one. I miss you. That's so much fun. I get paid for this. Yeah! I get the cereals wet. All right, you got your certificate? You feel tremendous. Boy, I feel tremendous. After a long day. Yeah! Oh, boy. Ah! Yuck! I didn't know that. Whoa, disinfectant in it. I'll see the rest of you tomorrow. See, that's a great hook. Turn that off. Yeah, I really like the rec room. Yeah, we'll do the gongs later. Yeah. All right. Ah. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, boy! What a good day, man! I love these bugs! I love them! I love